Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to block multiple followers on X. So there are two main ways how we can do that. The first option is official method on X platform, and the second one is not official. This is the method that includes third-party tools. So first of all, let's go through X application, how to do that directly in the X mobile application. So open X and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now you want to access your profile. Tap followers count right here, and at the top select followers. So this is the list of all of your followers, and in order to block someone, you have to first of all open their profile by tapping their profile picture, and in the top right tap three-dot button, and finally select block this user and confirm your decision by tapping block button. So this permanently blocks this user, and they will not be notified that you blocked them, and they will have to follow you once again if they want to see your posts. So this is the manual way how we can block your followers on X, and if you want to block multiple followers, then you have to repeat those actions to every single follower that you want to block. But if you don't want to do that manually and you want to do that all at once, then you'll have to use third-party tools. So for example, I can recommend you using a tool that is called Circleboom. So in your browser, search for circleboom.com, and you have to log in to your Twitter, to your X account. So enter your email address that is your X account is associated with. Select see demo view, and at the bottom side of the screen you see here this panel. You have to go to followers, select all my followers, and it connects your account, your X account, and basically here you should see a list of your followers. And basically what you want to do is put check mark next to select all button right here, and tap on add to list and select add to mass block list. And then you have to confirm this, that you really want to block all of your followers. And basically after that, all of your followers that you select will be blocked. But when you use third-party tools, please be cautious and only use well-known and reputable services to minimize, the risk of your account being restricted. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.